Welcome to Byte, where we transform the complexities of trade compliance into streamlined, actionable insights. Today, I'll guide you through our screening platform, demonstrating how Byte powers smarter, faster, and safer decisions. Let's start with a real-world example. Let's say you're a US-based electronics manufacturer dealing with global entities. One of your new partners is Altway UK. The first step, ensuring they're clear of any compliance risks. The Byte search module crawls across all the data in the app. We compile global watch lists in real time. Whether it's OFAC or lesser known sanctions lists, we've got it covered. We also offer enhanced due diligence with the Byte list. This unique module elevates your screening by revealing connections and risky entities even before they might hit the official lists. It includes transshippers, PEPs, possibly ESG concerns, and more. I'm going to search for Altway UK. And in this case, I'm going to save my results as a ticket. This will save my search results in the Byte Analytics Vault. Our search returns a number of hits. 1 on the Byte list and 3 beneficial ownership. Altway UK has been seen transacting with entities flagged for sanctions by Russia. This level of insight is critical for thorough due diligence. The other returns related to beneficial ownership start to identify owners of Altway UK. For contrast, let me show you what happens if an entity is on an official watch list. In this case, I won't save my results as a ticket. As you can see, quite a few hits for Vladimir Putin. In both cases, this real-time data empowers you to make immediate and informed decisions. Now, let's ensure that our commodities comply with global trade controls. Say our manufacturer deals in electrical sockets. You can easily look up the relevant HS code in the Trade Protection module. But here, we'll stick to the Byte search. Checking commodities against sanctions lists and various controls is straightforward. Searching for our sockets, HS code 853669. Again, you can save results as a ticket or not. And we return 13 results. As you can see, one of the results is on the high priority battlefield items list. Knowledge like this is critical for compliance and avoiding costly penalties. I can also export my results and save them to the ticket. As you can see, my ticket for Altway UK is saved. The PDF is here, and I can add additional comments down below. This is just a glimpse of what Byte can do. By centralizing and simplifying screening, Byte not only saves you time, but ensures you're always ahead of the compliance game. Ready to take charge of your trade compliance with confidence? Join us on Byte. Explore more at bytedata.io.